fly everywhere. And I enjoy it. This is a big Jollibee. It goes up 3 stories, almost, or 4 stories. So 4 stories. Just 2? What about those last 2 up top?
It's another business.
Oh, okay. So it's only a 2-story, you said.
Workout?
Yeah, okay. There's a gym up there. Yeah, I'll check that out.
Hey, good evening.
What's up, cousin? Come on. Give me 5.
5 okay. 5 only me.
I know you my cousin.
Merry Christmas.
You're my cousin.
What?
You're my cousin.
Eh?
You're my cousin. Gutierrez. Gutierrez, right? I wish I could get out there. Cameras out there.
Monitor?
Yeah.
Okay.
Get out there. Sing it.
Yan?
Yeah. Sing in front of the camera.
Love song. Love song.
I don't know.
Love song.
Okay, so this is our cousin, Mr. Gutierrez. Gonna sing you something. See, guys.
Kapag wala ka, buhay-buhay, walang sigla. Ang iyong pangako, pilaging mamalit. Tandang-tanda ko pa ang ating sumpa.
Alright, sing it.
Hanggang wakas, di magsasama, umulan o bagyo. Umulan ang mundo, ikaw at ako pa rin. Inimig kapag nakita, kapag ikaw nalulungkot, huwag kang mag-alala. Remember me kapag iniwan ka, luwag na bata,
Oh, Feliz Navidad.
Yan.
You know that? Huh?
Feliz Navidad, la 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 la. Feliz Navidad, nilulala. Feliz Navidad, nilulila ko, nilulila ko. Ilay, 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 ilay. Sige pa ko nga. Ilay, 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 ilay. Okay, sir. Okay, press or no? Press? Okay, sir, Merry Christmas from Mari.
I will. Wait till your cousin.
Okay, no problem.
Wait till your cousin comes
Okay.
back. You know who it is?
What?
Your cousin.
Okay.
Bebe. Yeah. You'll be here in a minute. She got all my money. I don't have no money. She got it. Oh, maybe I got.
Mike, bizcocho.
Yeah. You're Gutierrez.
Mike.
Gutierrez, right? Yeah, I know. I know. Hurry up. Remember?
Okay.
Hurry up. Let's see if I got.
Thank you very much, right?
You're welcome.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You gonna go get a red horse? Mind your way? Mind your way? Okay. Anyway. Anyway, guys, he's related to my wife. Good terrier. But long distance, yeah. Anyway, guys, yeah, we got my distant cousin singing Christmas carols to us in Tagalog. In Pampanga. And he did a good job. Except his guitar's a little out of tune. Sitting here at the Jollibee. You never know what'll happen in the Philippines. Never know. Look at that little truck there. That's something else. So yeah, guys, we're just waiting on Betty. Must be a big line over there for the pork on the stick. There she is. Oh, how come it took so long?
Yeah, I'm waiting. I thought, but then there's a lot of people.
Your cousin was here playing guitar for me. I gave him 20 plays.
I don't know if they have chicken yet. What?
You want?
Okay.
Go ahead. I'll wait. So we were waiting on the pork on the pork over there, but they said they're out. So now I got to do Jollibee, guys. Supper. I don't need no supper, really. It's too much.
How long have you been here, son?
April. That's my wife. Good. You know that?
We're from another...
Where you from? In Daba. We just went to Gigat. We just went to Gigat and filmed.
There?
Gigat?
You got?
Yeah.
That's it.
We went there and filmed just now. Just now coming back. Then we're gonna go back home. But the lights are on. At the lake too. Down the lake.
That's the swimming pool there? That's the swimming pool?
Yeah. The big swimming pool. They're almost done. Almost. I guess next season they'll have it open. Maybe the summertime.
They're there 20 minutes. You want to wait?
No, not really.
Okay. Then let's go. You
Yeah.
said 20 minutes.
Okay, let's go. Okay, we'll see you next time.